Hi and welcome to the second episode of construction of a 4-bedroom mansionette in Kitengela by Design Key Builders, and I will be taking you through the process of construction. My name is Terry Jueli. So in the previous episode, we covered the masonry walling, after which we did the formwork, then we did the reinforcement as per the engineer's specifications, and then we did the concrete casting of the slab. Currently, I am standing on a 150mm thick slab that is seated on a 450mm thick beam. The beam distributes the weight to the column. This is the column, which then distributes the weight to the foundation, the load rather, to the foundation. As you can remember in the previous video, I took you through the process of the excavation and cutting away of the black cotton soil and the foundation reinforcement. This slab that I am standing on is in the process of curing. Curing takes 21 days, and during these 21 days, we are supposed to be watering it. Due to the high temperatures in Kitengela, we have placed this sand that you can see in order to preserve the moisture. Watch this 3D design presentation for you to see how the house will look like upon completion. Build with us for the I'm Assured experience. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly like, share and subscribe.